Good morning, guys. This is trading channel in which we are going to analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty as well as USDINR. Today we'll look at the charts and we'll decide the market trend for tomorrow. So right now we are looking at the Nifty chart and we could easily say that Nifty has formed a bullish Marsbook candle and it may look like that it has crossed 200 DMA as well as the 50 DMA. So it moreover looks like that it is going to touch the top of the channel. But I would like to say that stay cautious because tomorrow we do have RBI monetary policies which can eventually indulge in repo rate hike, and if it remains negative then we could see some correction in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. But if it remains positive then we could see a nice bull run. Eventually, we also have US job data on Friday for US market, and if that also comes good, then moreover we can see a bull rally. But if that doesn't come good, then we could see some correction in both Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So if tomorrow Nifty at the end of the day remains above the moving average, then we could see a nice upside move in Nifty. But we can, at the end of the day we can see some correction because tomorrow we also has an expiry. So overall tomorrow we will be having a very volatile day. So take trade in a small bet size if you want to, or I would like to suggest to take the trade on Monday directly because you will be having all volatility sorted out tomorrow because of the RBI monetary policies as well as expiry, and we have a holiday on Friday. So there will be a decay for option buyers, for option sellers. So there are 3 days remaining, and we do not know what eventually may can happen. So for option sellers, there will be always a risk for option sellers. So I would like to suggest to take a trade directly on Monday if you want to. Now we'll take a look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also moreover looks like that it is on the testing the resistance. I have made the trend line to be the top of the 2 days high, touching the top of the 2 days high, and if it eventually breaks, then we can see tomorrow a nice upside move in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. But if we get a rejection tomorrow, then due to the RBI rate policy, then we could see this trend line formation and eventually the Bank Nifty coming and taking testing the trend line and eventually giving a breakout in Bank Nifty. Same for Nifty as well. If we see some kind of a negativity tomorrow after 10 11 p.m. am, then we could see some correction till either 400, either 380 or 400, or else if it breaks down more then we could see a correction till 17,300. Then we will be getting ready for an upside and finally giving a breakout. Even it looks like a bullish, though FII haven't covered their positions in future. We'll talk about that. So for verdict for Nifty and Bank Nifty will be, so Nifty is near 200 DMA. It may look that it has crossed the resistance and 50 DMA. Stay cautious because we have RBI decision rate at 10 a.m. And if it breaks this and sustains above this, then we could see the top of the channel soon. For Bank Nifty is near major resistance, and if it breaks, we can see it 2000 points upside. But still be cautious because if we can play, if you take a trade tomorrow, we could see a upside of 100 points, 200 points, but there could be a more downside if it gets rejection from there for Bank Nifty. So until and unless it breaks upside on Bank Nifty and sustain it, we could see a nice upside move Till that time, wait for the market to give a proper direction for Dow Jones. And now we'll look at Dow Jones as well as USDINR. So Dow Jones kind of looks like positive today, but it isn't as positive as it was days before. This looks like a bearish harami candle, and if we get if it gets validated, then we could see a downside movement. If it gets invalidated, then we could see the top of the channel breaking out. Till the time, I guess US market is also waiting for their job data to come, and till the time I don't think that we could break the top of the channel in US. So till the time for Dow Jones, it looks like a topish formation due to the bearish harami candle. Also on Friday we have a job data coming. Now we'll take a look at USD-INR. So USD-INR has broken out the trend line and it went down finally. So tomorrow, if it continues on the downtrend, then we could see the target coming both till the bottom of the channel for USD-INR. If it does for USD-INR, USD-INR is ready to show some downside. Now we'll take a look at FI data as well as DI. So FI looks positive on cash and they have been continuously buying on cash. As more looks positive on cash buying as they could see a near bottom of the channel. But I would like to show you one more thing that FNO for FNO they haven't yet started to cover up these positions and it may look kind of bearish on a midterm view. So we'll take a look on tomorrow's view how it happens after 11 p.m. how that it goes. So overall, maybe still bullish on a long term, but they haven't covered their position in futures. So overall verdict and trade would be verdict will be so Nifty and Bank Nifty may look like they are giving a breakouts, but breakout will be decided after 10 a.m. RBI rate decision. Wait till Monday if possible because we would have a volatility tomorrow. So you can get thresh on the both side as well as in C as well as in P. So also we haven't got much decay today. So we will get the decay. There is higher decay possible for option buyer tomorrow and for option seller because of volatility they could have a problem. If they want to take a trade for Thursday, then they could by keeping a view for a small bet size. So the overall trade either wait and watch till Monday. So there could be only 3 days. You have to 3 to 4 days. You have to wait for the market to give a final decision. If market becomes unidirection, if you feel that tomorrow market have become unidirection, then take the trade on whichever side we have a momentum. And if it shows rejection, can short for small target, and if it gives like a breakout, then can long for a large target. So thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see you later. Bye bye.